version mathematics class 5 chapter 8 area of rectangle and square. Number 1, put the correct in the blank box. Number 1, area of parallelogram base into height. Area of triangle base into height divided by 2. English version mathematics class 5 chapter 8 area of rectangle and square. Number 2, find the area of the following figure. The triangle 5 into 4 divided by 2 equal to 10 centimeter square. Number 2, the triangle 9 into 6 divided by 2 equal to 27 centimeter square. Number 3, parallelogram 5 into 6 equal to 30 centimeter square. Parallelogram 2 into 10 equal to 20 centimeter square. Here, if you see centimeter square, okay, in triangle or in parallelogram, square centimeter into centimeter equal to centimeter square. In this type map, if you multiply two length, height and length, height and length, multiply two same function, it will be convert to a square. Okay. In bangla, borgo, it means meter into meter, it converted to square meter. Centimeter converted to square centimeter, this type. English version mathematics class 5 chapter 8 area of rectangle and square. Number 3, the height of rectangle plus length of 85 meter and length 105 meter. What are the landed area? Okay, we know rectangular land area formula length into height. Length 105 and height 85 meter. In this type, if we multiply meter and meter, it will be a square meter. Okay, 110 and 85 meter. Multiply answer 8925 square meter. English version mathematics class 5 chapter 8 area of rectangle and square. Number 4, the height of a square house is 55 meter and its area is 3025 square meter. Then how many meter are length of the house? Here we see the answer in the math told height of a square house. A square house means its length and height are same. Okay. Then a square, if length 55, then height 55. In this math, length or height equal to of a square house, we know area of length into height. In calculation, 55 meter length and 55 meter height, then verification 55 into 55 equal to 3025 square meter, already given this math. So in this type math, in a square, length and height is the same. Thank you. English version mathematics class 5 chapter 8 area of rectangle and square. Number 5, if the height of a triangle design 0.8 meter and its area 1.2 square meter, what are the landed area of the in meters? Then we know that area 1.2 square meter and height 0.8 meter. Then we know area equal to half into height into base. So base equal to height into area divided by 2. Divided by 2. Then base, here we need to identify base area 1.2 into height 0.8 divided by 2. Then base equal to 1.2 into 2 divided by 0.8 equal to 2.4 divided by 0.8. Answer will be 3. English version, Mathematics, Class 5, Chapter 8, Area of Rectangle and Square, number 6. Find the area of the colored part of the following figure. 1. Rectangle part. The color area of the rectangle, base 9 cm and height 5 cm equal to rectangle. That means area equal to height into length divided by 2 equal to 22.5 centimeter square. And triangle 10 into 12 area divided by 2 equal to 60 centimeter. English version, Mathematics, Class 5, Chapter 8, Area of Rectangle and Square, number 7. Here is photo of a house and 3 color part. We need to figure out the color area part of the figure below. The roof side 10 into 4 equal to 40 square meter, and front side 10 into 5 equal to 50 square meter, and side wall 5 into 5 meter equal to 5 into 5 equal to 25 square meter. Then total colored area 40, 50 and 25 equal to 115 square meter. Thank you.